KineMaster is the most famous application hacker do video editing feature. And make a professional montage that you can download now for free without a watermark by clicking on the KineMaster Pro download button. As everyone knows, there are thousands of video editing applications, but you see, they are all of the same quality and level. Certainly not, there are applications that are failed or contain limited features that make you always look for an alternative to them. But after the appearance of KineMaster, it achieved widespread popularity, as the number of free downloaders of KineMaster Pro reached about 200 million downloads. But the free version, as everyone knows, contains a watermark and some paid filters and features. That's really a bad thing that makes a large number of app users looking for an ad-free version without paying graphics. You are in the right place. KineMaster is considered the best video editor as more than 80% of YouTubers use it to design short or large videos. Merging, cutting, and adding images, sounds and effects to the video make it more interesting. If you can easily download KineMaster Pro version that contains features that cannot be compared to the regular version. We, in turn, support our content creators to provide something that captures the attention of our followers. Easily and in a completely professional environment, you can create HD quality movies with just a few touches. You will be amazed to see its unique capabilities. The video editor above, although it is free, downloaded thousands of times from the Play Store, and it tops the best video editing software we want to offer you today. If you want to create amazing videos by combining music and pictures, if you want to apply cool effects and scenes to your gallery and enjoy having a full-hacked video editor, do not miss KineMaster Pro and try it. You will see that you are dealing with a unique program, great app that gives you a bunch of features in a nice place. Features of the program KineMaster Hacker. Smooth and easy to use, it will not require much effort. The ability to create a professional intro or intro video. Cut, merge, and add professional photos, sounds, and effects to your video. The advantage of merging your photos, adding music to them, and sharing the video on social networking sites. Paid effects are available to you for free with the ability to add blur inside the video. A good collection of emojis, cartoons, and logos that you can add to any of your videos. Writing on the video in Arabic and French fonts. Speed up and slow down the video with ease. After making the video, you can save it, manipulate its size and quality, share it on social media, or save it in the internal memory. And many of the features that we leave you discover for yourself inside KineMaster Hacker. KineMaster Pro version changes. Adding new features. Optimization of various parts of the program.